Everybody, this is a tutorial about our orders monitor. To go there, go to monitors and then the second tab, orders monitor. Make sure it is working. It needs to look like this. If it wouldn't be working, it will be red here and it will say monitor is not working. And the button here will be green saying start monitor. So this is how it should look. It should be working. The orders monitor is responsible, as it says, to your orders. Every time you get an order on eBay, the orders monitor is responsible to bring it to the monitor to the orders page. You can see when was the last time it ran. It basically runs every 5 minutes. And here are the general settings. You can open the screen here for edit, clicking on the pencil icon, and here is what you can change here. When a product is sold, you can tell the orders monitor what to do with it. You can choose alert me or raise quantity. Best option will be raise quantity, and this will also be your default. What is the quantity you would like to raise it to? Recommendation is more than one, because if this product has already been sold, it means it will get more exposure and impressions from eBay. So let's say we want to put it on 3, for example. So it will get 3 units immediately after it got sold. When a product is sold, change price. Now this is our changing price feature. You can ask the system to change the pricing of your listings that got orders. So if I click V here, this will be open for edit, and I can choose the following. Start price raise after X number is sold. So let's say I want to start raising the pricing of my listings, which basically only means raising my profit, the percentage or the dollar profit, after 3 units were sold. And then I can check whether to only raise it once after the first sale. This is if this is marked, or I can raise it for each sale. And this is very good feature to make you more profitable. So if I click this, I check this one. I now tell the system every time I get a sale for a listing, raise the price. Now, how do you choose to raise it? You can either or both change to raise the additional dollar percentage, the additional profit percentage or the additional dollar profit. And this is how it be done. So let's say that I don't want it to change the percentage, so I'll 0 it here. I only want it to start raising it by 30 cents after every sale. And again, I don't want the percentage, so I'll 0 it here. And then I want to tell it what is the maximum price raise limit that I want for my items. And this is good to do because of course you don't want to be too expensive, then your sales will stop. So what I can tell the system, when you reach a profit, notice a profit and not the it has nothing to do with your break even. When the profit for that listing in the dollar field is $5, stop raising the profit. Okay, so every time it will get sold, it will get additional 30 cents and it will get stopped when it's 5. Next thing we can do, we can also drop the price for product. And the price drop also is only related to the profit. And the break even will always stay the same break even. You will never lose from this feature. So if I click here, I can tell the system when an item is not sold for X number of days, so let's say a week, 7 days, then I want you to drop the price. Now, it's recommended if you're already using the dollars here, keep using them here. Or if you're using the percentage, use them here. So now I'm not going to change the percentage, and I want to change the amount. So now I want to tell it if it didn't get sold after 7 days, drop it by 50 cents. Okay, I 0 again the percentage because I choose not to work with it now. And when the minimum profit that I have in the dollar profit field for the listing reaches $1, stop. Okay, don't drop the price anymore. So if an item profit was $10 and it didn't sell for 7 days, the price will go down by 50 cents until, and if another 7 days pass, it will go down by another 50 cents till it reaches a minimum of $1. This is a very good feature that will keep you competitive comparing to your other competitors, and will make sure that you always sell. And it's a very good feature for those of you who have big stores and don't want to always make bulk changes, because the system does that automatically for you. If you have any more questions about this orders monitor, please check out our help center, or you can address us at the support chat right here on the right.